Hello, today we will guide you through how to export handouts to Word from PowerPoint. If you need to turn your PowerPoint slides into a Word document for printing, note-taking, or sharing, this process is quick and built right into PowerPoint. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the exact steps to export your presentation as handouts in Word, so you can create a more flexible document format without having to copy and paste anything manually. Start by opening PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to work with. Make sure the correct file is already open before moving on, since the handouts that get created will be based on the presentation currently on your screen. Taking a moment to confirm this now can help avoid exporting the wrong deck by mistake. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the top left area of the screen and click File. This opens the Backstage menu where you'll find options for saving, printing, sharing, and exporting your presentation. If you're new to PowerPoint, this section is basically the control center for file-related actions. From the File menu, click Export. The Export section includes several ways to convert or package your presentation, and this is where PowerPoint places the option for sending slide content into another format. Be sure to select Export rather than Save As, since the handout feature is located specifically there. Next, click Create Handouts. This option is designed to send your slides into Microsoft Word in a handout-style layout. It's especially useful if you want to add written notes, leave room for comments, or distribute printed materials in a cleaner format for meetings, classes, or presentations. After that, click Create, and then follow the on-screen procedure. PowerPoint will guide you through the available layout choices in Word, such as placing notes beside slides or arranging multiple slides on a page. Choose the format that best matches how you plan to use the handout. Once you confirm your selection, PowerPoint will begin exporting the presentation and open the resulting file in Word. Depending on the size of your presentation, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish. When Word opens, review the document to make sure the layout looks the way you expect. If needed, you can adjust spacing, add headers, or make formatting changes directly in Word before saving or printing. And that's how to export handouts to Word from PowerPoint.